Okay, what I want to show you all is when you go to Keiser Live, what you will see when you click on this link will get you to like next Monday. You'll access the link from there, okay? But when you look here and you look down here, it may take a few seconds for this to download. But here for week one, I have all of these videos here that are on my YouTube channel that relate to week one. Okay, both information that I covered now that I recorded, I have already pre-recorded them from a past class and I really liked it. So for those that want to review, hey, the 11 organ systems explained, you can review that. If you want to look at just the 11 systems pictures, I have that here, anatomical reference terms, blah, blah, blah. And then down here, it's taking a little time because there's lots of videos. There'll be the Connect videos reviews as well. So these are starting to open. So here I have my week one Connect lab review where I covered that. Then the same thing for week two. These are my week two videos. A lot of bones, a lot of osteology. You'll see that there. And then I have week three, same thing. Week three is muscles, so I put a lot of my muscle videos there and a lot of my lectures. Okay, so if you want to look at them ahead, you certainly can. If you want to review these on top of the lives, you can. So that's there. Okay, that's how you can access those. What else do I want to show you? Week one, two, and three, and four all have the same components to it. When we look at week two, it's going to be the same as week one. You have an overview. You have all the learning activities, what's required of you for that week. Okay. The week two materials. Here's your lab. So you'll find this is for week one, week two, week three, week four. For the Connect labs, you're going to look for the McGraw-Hill Connect Virtual Lab. Okay. When you click on that, go to my Connect section, click there, and these are the quizzes. Okay. When you're ready to take the week one quiz, you click here, you click on that, and it will activate. When you're ready for week two, and again, you do it in one sitting. Week two, week three, week four. The extra credits are here. This is the extra credit for week one, the extra credit for week two, extra credit for week three, and extra credit for week four. Off to the side here, this is where you have your ebook, you have your atlas, and then you have your APR, your anatomy physiology reveal. This is like your dissection launcher, which is kind of cool. Okay. See what else I can show you. Let's go back. Give me a second. Okay. Week one, two, three, four. They all have the same moving parts. When you get to your discussion boards, let's go to discussion board. This is where we have, if you have any questions to ask, you can ask and post your questions here. This is where you introduced yourself. So here's week one, and these are the requirements, right? Here's like, do your initial post by Wednesday, 325 word minimum. You have your research, your critical thinking section. That's for your main post. And then you have your second post, again, your research and critical thinking portion. And then you have your three posts. You have your main, and then you have your two additional ones. Those are your three posts. These are the topics for week 1. You claim your topic by saying, let's say it's me. Hey, I'm Dr. Lindner. I'm going to be doing number 20, ATP and energy. I claim it. No one else can do their initial post on that except me. We don't have 39 students in the class. We have like 25 or 26. So one person does the main post. You can read mine, and then you can add additional information to what's not there yet. You do a little research. You do a little critical thinking. That's it. You're done. Check your word count, post it, and do your citations and post it. Here's the rubric if you want to review that. But again, it's pretty much posted here. This is, let me go back here. Same, this is week 2. Sorry about that. I think I passed it. So here's week 2. When we get to week 2, same rubric, same concept, just different topics. You'll pick your topic, you'll claim it, you'll post it. Everyone will review it, and it becomes the timeline of who picked the topic first. Okay, there's 33 topics. Each one will pick a different one as their main post. You'll teach the topic. You teach a main concept about it. Okay. And then I may come along, read yours, and say, hey, I found your post really interesting. You add a little bit more content or research to it, and then your own critical thoughts, how you think this may relate to you, your career, to healthcare, right? Just in your own kind of words. Week 3 is the same. You'll see different topics for that. And then for week 4, again, different topics for that. Okay, let me go back. That's the discussion board. Let's go into, let's say, week 2, and there's the McGraw-Hill, there's the discussion. Here's your lockdown browser. So this is, for week 2, it's going to cover chapters 5 through 8 in Atlas A. Students, don't email me saying, I need a password. You do not need a password. If it's requesting a password, you're trying to open it outside of the lockdown browser. You have to download the lockdown browser, and you do that under the Get Started section. That's where it prompts you through those steps. Okay? Make sure you do the certificate section. Make sure you do the course certificate. Make sure you do the pre-test under Get Started. During week 4, make sure you do the post-test. If you don't do the post-test, you can't earn 5%. That's actually 5% of your grade. You want to do the pre-test and post-test, all right, if you haven't done that. Okay, I think you have access to the library here. There's also a tutor.com. If you need additional help, you can click on the tutor section here. And I think that's pretty much it. Let me stop the recording.